Alright, I need to remove this dipstick tube, 10mm bolt. Right there along the side of the motor. I want to note this video is strictly to be used as a guide since this car has been in an accident and all the parts are removed from the front. This is giving you guys a clear view on how to remove the dipstick and replace it, and also the tools that's required along with the torque specs. Alright, it's a wrap for that. We're in. Torque specs on it, 89 inch-pounds. 89 inch-pounds. 10mm. Once again, I want to clarify that this is just showing you guys a clear view on how this dipstick is mounted, where the bolt is, and how it goes into place. Because if all this stuff was here, it wouldn't be that easy of an installation or removal. You have to come up top, of course, but you guys get an idea on where the bolt is. So I just want to put emphasis on that. The next video coming will be oil cooler installation, and yeah, I'll be piecing this thing back together. Check out this video how I fixed that back perfectly if you want. And yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Terrence, I'm out.